water resource management.
Therefore, it is very important to manage our water resources well and preserve it. Let us take a look at some ways in which this is done. One of the common methods of water resource management is to build dams. A dam is a structure used to divide and retain water in a particular area. Dams are used to generate hydroelectric power. They are also used for agriculture and in cities through canal systems that transport stored water to great distances. The Indira Gandhi Canal is one of the biggest canal projects in India, which brought greenery to northwestern parts of Rajasthan. Another major benefit of dams is that they help to control floods in an area. Some famous dams in India are the Bakranangal Dam, the Sardar Sarovar Dam, and the Tehri Dam. The Hoover Dam in the US and the Aswan Dam in Egypt are some internationally famous dams. Unfortunately, dams also pose several problems. You may be aware of the Narmada Bachao Andolan. It resists the plan to raise the height of the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada. Tehri Dam on the river Ganga is another such example where people are protesting against the construction of large dams. But why the opposition? Let's look at the reasons. Dams are constructed in an area by deforesting the land, thereby causing loss to the biodiversity existing in the area. Further, dams block the sedimentation that rivers carry downstream. This clogs up the dam, making it less and less useful as a water reservoir over time. Finally, storing water in reservoirs changes its physico-chemical properties, which impacts the animal and plant life in the reservoir as well as the river. This is sometimes severe enough to eradicate an entire species from an area. Construction of dams sometimes also has a serious social impact. This is because large number of local villages and tribes are required to be displaced. They are provided rehabilitation and compensation for their losses, which is often not a fair deal. Finally, construction of dams also poses economic problems. Managing water through dams is very expensive. Unless a dam provides proportionate returns in the form of electricity and water supply, it is not worth spending so much money.